the crystal that records memory, not legend, not myth, but real science, designed to last longer than stars. Imagine a crystal that could store billions of years of history, not on paper, not on hard drives, but in solid glass. It doesn't just save data, it could outlive humanity itself. Sounds like sci-fi? Nope, this is real. The story begins with scientists at the University of Southampton who discovered a way to inscribe data into nanostructured glass. Unlike CDs or USB drives, this medium isn't fragile. It can endure fires, floods, radiation, even space travel. The method uses femtosecond lasers, tiny bursts of light that etch information at the nanoscale. Each dot encodes massive amounts of data. This isn't just digital storage. It's something closer to eternal memory. Here's the shocking part. These memory crystals can survive up to 1,000 degrees Celsius and last for 13.8 billion years, the current age of the universe. That means the data could, in theory, outlast Earth itself. Forget permanent marker. This is cosmic permanence. Imagine humanity's entire history, preserved in something that could travel through space, still readable by civilizations eons from now. So, how much data can one of these crystals hold? Roughly 360 terabytes per disk. To put it in perspective, that's about 7,000 Blu-ray movies, or the entire US Library of Congress, compressed into a piece of glass no larger than a coin. And because it's written in 5 dimensions, size, orientation, and 3 spatial axes, the storage density is mind-blowing. We're literally talking about 5D data storage. The inspiration comes from ancient crystals too. For centuries, civilizations believed quartz could store energy or knowledge. Legends speak of the crystal skulls said to contain lost wisdom, while myth, the idea, eerily mirrors what modern scientists are now doing, embedding knowledge directly into glass, but with actual measurable data, not just folklore. The breakthrough happened in 2013, when the Southampton team successfully stored major texts like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the King James Bible in these crystals. Later, they added Newton's optics and even the Magna Carta. It wasn't symbolic, it was proof of concept, humanity's wisdom, locked into near indestructible memory. Here's the kicker. Unlike normal data storage, the memory crystal doesn't degrade over time. CDs rot, hard drives fail, flash drives corrode, but glass remains stable, immune to water damage, electromagnetic fields, or mold. We're talking about something that could sit in the ruins of a city for millions of years, waiting to be rediscovered like a fossil, but with digital history inside. If humanity were to vanish tomorrow, these crystals could act as our final message. They might drift through space, carrying evidence that we once existed. Think about it. Long after our monuments collapse, long after languages die, the crystals will still whisper our story. It's almost like giving Earth its own black box recorder. The encoding process is wild. A femtosecond laser emits bursts of light lasting only 1/4,000,000th of a second. Each burst rearranges molecules inside the glass, forming tiny structures called nanogratings. These structures bend light in precise ways, like microscopic holograms. When read with a special microscope, they reveal stored information. It's like science fiction, but microscopic reality. Why glass? Because silica glass, the same stuff in windows, is one of the most stable materials known. It doesn't rust, doesn't corrode, and it's abundant. Combine that with nano etching, and you get the ultimate combo of stability and scalability. Imagine warehouses of glowing disks, quietly storing the entirety of human history, no climate control needed. Now, here's where it gets crazy. Scientists realized that these crystals don't just store information, they change how we think about time. Normally, data storage is temporary. But with this, you're looking at cosmic scale permanence. In other words, we're creating the first technology designed not for decades, but for billions of years. The potential uses are staggering. Want to archive all of humanity's scientific research? Done. Every movie ever made? Fits. Every gene sequence of every species on Earth? Store it. This isn't just backup storage. It's a civilizational time capsule. Future beings could literally study our DNA, our music, our failures, and our triumphs. But here's the twist. While the crystals can last billions of years, reading them requires advanced technology. Without the proper microscopes and lasers, the data would remain locked away, just glowing like an ornament. Imagine future civilizations discovering them, puzzled by their purpose, until they crack the code. We're already thinking about cosmic backup plans. Organizations like the Arch Mission Foundation are exploring ways to send these data crystals into space libraries for future civilizations. In fact, one was even sent aboard SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, containing Isaac Asimov's Foundation series, humanity's bookshelf orbiting the stars. Now consider this. What if aliens discover one first? For them, it wouldn't be just a strange rock. It'd be a window into our species. They'd see our art, our science, maybe even our mistakes. In a way, these crystals make us immortal storytellers. Even if Earth falls silent, our voices might still echo. Of course, there are limits. Writing data into the crystal is painfully slow compared to modern storage. We're not uploading Netflix libraries in real time yet. But here's the thing. This tech isn't meant for speed. It's meant for forever. Think of it less like a hard drive and more like a Rosetta Stone of the future. The crystals could also be used for interstellar messages. If we ever send probes like Voyager again, why not attach a disk that could outlast stars? Instead of a golden record, we'd be sending a crystal record, containing not just sounds and images, but the entirety of human knowledge. This also raises philosophical questions. If memory crystals outlive us, who are we really storing this for? Future humans? Aliens? Or just the universe itself? It's like writing a diary and tossing it into eternity, not knowing if anyone will ever read it. Yet somehow, that's what makes it beautiful. What's even more mind-bending? Someday, these crystals could store personal memories, not just history books, but your thoughts, your life, maybe even your consciousness. Imagine passing down not just photos, but a literal crystal of memory, holding the essence of who you were, legacy, carved in light. The idea of a crystal that records memory isn't just technology, it's a time machine, a monument, a message in a bottle for eternity. If you could store one thing forever, your life story, your favorite song, or humanity's entire history, what would it be? Let me know in the comments.